How to order archival imagery through SkyMap50. Ordering SkyMap50 archival images on the Soar platform couldn't be easier. Let's begin. First, click on the Satellite Search tab, followed by the SkyMap50 icon. Click on the Archival button. We can use the search bar to find our location on the map. It's best to change your background to a satellite image to assist in drawing your area of interest. Then click the AOI button. Click and drag a box around your area of interest. Notice your box will change from red to blue to indicate a sufficient size for archival imagery. Following that, you'll be given a list of archival images and dates to build a mosaic from. Select the images that work best for you to cover your area of interest. Once you have completed that, hit Continue. Review your collection order and when ready, hit Confirm Order. It is now time to put in your details such as company information as well as credit card information. Once your order is submitted, it will begin processing with the Soar system.